Hello everyone, this is Manjeet Kaur. I am an Ielts trainer and provide online session for the Ielts academic and Ielts journal training. So those students who are interested to take online session, they can enroll for my classes. So let's start today. Today in this video, I am gonna show you how to prepare for the Ielts and what exactly Ielts is. So let's start. Firstly, what is an Ielts? Ielts exactly is an international English language testing system. So this Ielts test is given by two types of students. First one is those who want to go to foreign on the study basis. They want to pursue their higher studies in the foreign country. So they need to prepare for the Ielts academic, which is the first type. And second type is the Ielts journal training. Those candidates who want to go foreign countries on the basis of work or they want to settle there, they want to take PR, they need to do Ielts in the journal. So in Ielts academic and journal, both have four modules, reading, listening, writing and speaking. So what is difference in academic and journal, listening, reading, writing and speaking? Exactly in academic and journal, listening and speaking both are same. These are same. Whatever the student will get in the academic, it's also related to the journal. But in case of reading and writing, they have both slight differences. So let's start. So firstly, what exactly listening consists? In the listening, it has four parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In listening, you will get 4 different conversation. You will hear different conversation from the native speaker. On the basis of that, they will give you an answer sheet. You need to find out the answer based on the listening and then you have to copy it on your answer sheet. Listening is your 40 minutes. In 40 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, you will get the listening and 10 minutes you will get to copy your answer on the answer sheet. Now next is reading. Reading is 1 hour. In 1 hour reading, you will get 3 sections in each. But the reading is slightly different in journal training. In academic, exactly, you will get 3 paragraphs, sorry. So 3 paragraphs, you will get 40 questions here. You will get 1 hour to answer these 40 questions. These 40 questions can be different. It can be true, false. They can be a summary. It can be fill-ups. It can be MCQ. So almost 11 to 12 different type of question answers in the reading you will get. The difficulty level of the paragraph varies. For example, if you get the first paragraph is simple, then the third one is the difficult one. It's academic. And in the journal training, you will get again the 3 part, but paragraph can be in part 1 there can be 2 paragraph, in part 2 2 paragraph, and part 3 2 paragraph. So almost we can say that you can get 5 to 6 paragraphs in the reading, in journal training. The question will be again same, it's 40 questions. There is no difference in the question. And it can be also the same true, false, MCQ. But the difference is there, you will get here 5 to 6 paragraphs, but here you will get 3 paragraphs. And the difficulty level, it's also over here. The first paragraph can be a simple one and the last paragraph can be the most difficult one. Now let's start with the writing. In the writing, you will get, let's talk firstly with the academic writing. Here in the academic writing, you will get 2 tasks. We call it task 1 and task 2. In task 1, you will get a summary. Summary means they can provide you bar graph, chart graph, line graph in which you have to summarize the information and you have to write down in the task 1. This is task 1. So task 1 is only 150 words. Whereas task 2, it will be an essay. You need to write essay on different topics and you need to write down to 50 words. Exactly, your task 2 is much worthy as compared to task 1. Task 1 is only of 3 band, whereas task 2 is of 6 band. So you need to focus more on the task 2. This is all about your academic writing. But what is the difference in the journal? Exactly, in journal writing, task 2 is same. In the journal, you also need to write down the essay. But task 1 is different. In journal, task 1, you need to write down the letter. The letter can be formal, it can be semi-formal, it can be informal. So you need to again write down 150 words here. So the letter, you need to write down letter in the task 1. And academic task 1, you need to summarize the information based on the bar graph or chart graph, line graph, diagram. They will provide you different topics. So same here, letter is also your worthy of 3 band and this is task 2 is worthy of 6 band. So you need to focus more on the task 2 if you want to score band. Now let's talk about the speaking. Ielts GT and Ielts academic speaking both are same. The examiner will take your test within the time period of 10 to 40 minutes. And in this exactly we have 3 different sections. In these 3 different sections, first section is all about your asking information based on your hobbies, interest, habit. Examiner can put you few questions on any topic in task in section 1. Whereas section 2 is your cue card. In this cue card, examiner will give you a statement. For example, I am giving you here. Describe your favorite cloth or describe about your phone, describe about your hometown. So examiner will give you a cue card, a topic and then few points. For example, I am giving you a topic, describe your favorite clothes. So in this I am also giving you hint, exactly what you have to describe. So hints are here, what is it? From where did you purchase? How did you purchase or when did you purchase? So this kind of hints examiner will give you on the basis of a cue card. So you need to speak on this cue card at least 2 minutes. But if you speak as much as possible, that's better. The flow should be natural. It should not be like you have already crammed the cue card. The fluency should be there. So you need to be at your natural pace. And now section 3. So based on the cue card, the examiner will put you few questions. So here my cue card, as an example, I have given you a cue card that is describe about your favorite cloth. So based on my cue card, I can ask you few questions on the part 3, like which type of cloth do you like to wear? This is my follow-up question for the section 3. So section 3 is about follow-up, section 2 is cue card, and section 1 is about journal topics. The topic can be anyone. So this is all about your reading, listening, writing and speaking. So for the more preparation, for the more information, you can see my next videos. I will keep posted on the Ielts. And after all, if you want to join the online session, if you want one-to-one session or group session, you can enroll for my classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.